Hello there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we break the inheritance for a list or a document library, and then how can we remove a specific group from the document library permissions using PnP PowerShell. Before that, let's see how do we do this on the user interface. So we are on the sales team site, document library called product documents. We go to document library settings, more library settings, permissions for this document library, and we see currently document library inherits the permission from the parent. Now to stop inheriting the permissions, we click on stop inheriting permissions, we click on OK, and that would now stop the inheritance from the parent. What we can now do is, let's say we do not want any of the visitors to have the access, so we can select the visitors, remove the user permissions, so we'll not have visitors anymore as a part of the group permissions. This is we will be achieving using PnP PowerShell. Let's first delete the unique permissions so that we get the permissions back inherited from the parent. Now we are set back to the first state. Let's head over to Visual Studio Code and let's write the PnP PowerShell. Now I have already written a statement that helps to connect to the sales team site using connect PnP Online. Now first what we need to do is we need to acquire the context. So let's declare a variable called context, and the way we get a context is get PnP context. Okay, now let's define the library name. Okay, so we'll call it library name. We'll add the name of the library, which is products documents, and then we will also define the group name that we want to remove. So the group name that we want to remove is, put it over here. Now let's get the list and get the group. So we'll say list get PnP list identity and library name. Okay, similarly we will get the group, get PnP group identity, and that's group name. Okay, you're good with this for now. Now first let's break the inheritance. So to break the inheritance, we will say set PnP list. We will give the identity. Here it's gonna be list or library name in our case. Now we will say break role inheritance and copy role assignments. So copy role assignment means you inherit the permissions from the parent while you break the inheritance. If you would like to completely clear the scope, you can use clear subscopes. For now we will go and use copy role assignments. Now that we have broken the inheritance, let's now delete a specific group. So to do that, we will first go with list dot role assignments dot get by principal, and here we will provide the group which we have got. Let's remove the additional bracket and dot delete object. Okay, and then we will say context dot execute query. All right. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test this script. Hit run, provide the credentials, and let's wait for script to finish the execution. Okay, it has completed. Let's go and validate that. Hit refresh, and you see the library has now unique permissions and the visitor group is no longer a part of this document library. So when we go to settings, we see that we are still under the products documents, and when we validate permissions for the document library, this is what we see. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you break the inheritance for the list or document library as well as remove a specific group or even a user from the document library. I thank you for watching the video.